Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your name on Windows 11 taskbar. So first, right-click any empty space on your taskbar. From the menu, select Taskbar Settings. Now, scroll down to Taskbar Behaviors, then toggle this off. Instantly, your name vanishes from the taskbar, date or time fly out. Then why do you disable this? If you share your screen during calls or recordings, hiding your name adds a layer of privacy. Plus, it keeps your taskbar looking clean. So if you want to go further, head to Settings, then go to Accounts, then go to Your Info. Here, you can switch to a generic icon instead of your profile picture, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.